This is the Telemetry Transportation Daily for June 15th, 2026, and I'm Sam Abul-Samad, Vice President of Market Research for Telemetry. The current generation of top-class endurance racing prototypes are known as Hypercars in the World Endurance Championships and GTP in the North American IMSA series. Within these classes, cars are allowed to be built to two different, distinct sets of technical regulations that are then subjected to a balanced performance system that tries to ensure that they have comparable performance. The Le Mans Hypercar rules allow manufacturers to build their own chassis, and they have the option to make the cars rear or all-wheel drive and with or without a hybrid system. The LMDH rules require the use of a base chassis from one of four race car manufacturers, a standardized hybrid system with the rear-wheel drive only, and the engine and software of the company's choosing. Both types of cars are allowed to produce a nominal 670 horsepower and weigh about 2,000 pounds. Currently, the Aston Martin Valkyrie is the only non-hybrid racer, and most automakers are using LMDH cars that are somewhat less expensive than the LMH cars. After nearly a decade of the current rules, the FIA, the ACO, and IMSA have announced next-generation rules starting in 2030. The new cars will be based on a common set of technical regulations and will all be rear-wheel drive with a mandatory hybrid system. This makes the new hybrid GTP class more like LMDH, although there are differences. Automakers can continue to use the chassis from the existing suppliers or create their own, and they will have the option of the spec hybrid system or a bespoke system that they can no longer drive the front wheels. The new rules are expected to retain roughly the same power and weight, with the consistent rear drive hybrid making performance balancing an easier process. Currently, Toyota, Ferrari, and Peugeot make all-wheel drive LMH cars. No automakers have yet announced plans to continue with the next rule set, but most of the 11 automakers currently involved are expected to carry on, with rumors of at least one and perhaps more Chinese automakers also getting involved. Thanks for listening.